Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're exploring a delightful topic: how gardening can add years to your life. Did you know that getting your hands in the soil can do wonders for your health? Gardening isn't just a hobby. It's a powerful way to boost your physical and mental well-being. Let's dig in. Research shows that gardening can increase your lifespan. Studies have found that those who garden regularly tend to have lower stress levels, improved heart health, and even better mental clarity. It's true. Gardening can be a fountain of youth. First up, stress relief. Spending time in nature has a calming effect on our minds. When you're gardening, you're not just planting seeds, you're planting peace. The rhythmic actions of digging, planting, and weeding can be meditative, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Next, let's talk nutrition. Growing your own fruits and vegetables means you have access to fresh, organic produce right in your backyard. This can lead to healthier eating habits and lower your risk of chronic diseases. Plus, nothing beats the taste of homegrown tomatoes. Gardening is also a great workout. Believe it or not, digging, planting, and weeding can burn serious calories. It's an excellent way to keep your body moving without hitting the gym. In fact, an hour of gardening can burn about 200 to 400 calories. Don't underestimate the social aspect of gardening. Whether you're in a community garden or sharing tips with friends, gardening fosters connections. Social interaction is vital for mental health and can help reduce feelings of loneliness. And let's not forget about nature's therapy. Being surrounded by greenery and wildlife has been shown to boost mood and enhance overall well-being. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature can lift your spirits and improve your outlook on life. Gardening encourages mindfulness. When you're focused on nurturing plants, you're often more present, helping to reduce stress and improve mental clarity. It's a beautiful way to practice being in the moment. So, whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a small balcony, consider giving gardening a try. It could be the key to a longer, healthier life. Thank you for joining us at Health Options 101. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life. Stay healthy and have a great day.